Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Today's topic is what are OpenAI embedding models. There are two important embedding models. One is text embedding 3 small and text embedding 3 large. These two models mostly used in real AI projects. And this text embedding 3 small is 1536 dimensions and text embedding 3 large is 3072 dimensions. Now the question is why we require these embedding models. For example, this is a vector database. Some X company wants to store data into this vector database, raw data information. So AI don't understand what the raw data is, so we need to convert into vector embeddings. That conversion part will do these two embedding models. These two are OpenAI embedding models. Now let's find out what the difference between the text embedding 3 small and text embedding 3 large, pros and cons when we use small and when we use large. First most important step is at the time of designing your AI project only, creating the database, that time only you have to decide which embedding model you need to select. Before creating the vector database, you have to select what embedding model is suitable for my AI project. For example, if your project is AI chatbots, AI chatbot, e-commerce, educational purpose, educational content, for those AI content we use text embedding 3 small, 1536 dimensions. It's a cheaper 6 times cheaper than this large embedding model. Small embedding models is 6 times cheaper than large embedding model, and it's faster compared with large embedding models. But here the point is we need the better accuracy also. So large models we require the accuracy, but the drawback is expensive. First reason, you can check with the dimension only, it creates 3072 dimensions. Now when we use these large models, for example the coding documents and everything like that, law documents like scientific documents and some specialization documents, these are the very important documents. We require the deep search, highly deeply search. So that's why we require the accuracy for these things, and that's why it's expensive, because it creates 3072 dimensions. So it checks the most nearest matching embedding. Now the cost, let's check the cost is, for example, this cost is 0.0012 cents per token. This is 0.0092. See how much difference, 6 times cheaper than this large model. But when you want the real accuracy, don't care about the expenses, go for this one. Actually the scientifics, the law documents, coding, everything you need to update information is required. So for that purpose we require this 3072 dimensions. Now let's find out when you select the large embedding model for this AI chatbot, because this is suitable for text embedding 3 small, but you have added in your vector database text embedding 3 large. So what will happen here, you will get this cost, because this AI chatbot runs on this embedding model. Suppose this scientific information is created in text embedding 3 small, which is 1536. What will happen, it gives a less accuracy, it gives less kind of information, less kind of info.